What is this?
Ink.
Put in the box.
And ink.
Why you are putting in an box?
Because I is vowel.
Yes. I is vowel. In the word ink. Ink starts with I. I is an vowel, so we will use an before the vowels. First letter if it is vowel, then we will use an. Good. What is this?
Wawa. A wawa.
Why you are putting in a box?
Because G is not vowel.
Yes, G is not vowel, so we are using a guava. What is this?
Orange. And orange.
Why you are putting in an box?
Because O is vowel.
Vowel, yes. What is this?
Glass. A glass.
Why you are putting in a box?
Because G is not vowel.
Yes, good. What is this?
Apple. And apple.
Why you are putting in an box?
Because A is vowel.
Yes. What is this?
Banana. A banana.
Why you are putting in a box?
Because B is not vowel.
Yes. What is this?
Utensil. And utensil.
Why you are putting in an box?
Because U is vowel.
Yes. What is this?
Scissor. A scissor.
Why you are putting in a box?
Because yes is
Not vowel.
vowel.
Vowel, yes. What is this?
Umbrella.
Put in the box.
And umbrella.
Why you are putting in an box?
Because
Because
U is vowel.
U is vowel, yes. What is this?
Sharpener.
Sharpener. Why you are put it in the box?
A sharpener.
Why you are putting in a box?
Because yes is not
Vowel, yes, good. What is this?
egg.
Egg. An
And
egg. Why you are putting in an box?
because is vowel.
E is vowel, good. What is this?
Book.
Book. Put in the box.
A.
A book. Why you are putting in A?
B.
Because B is
E.
B is vowel or not vowel?
Not vowel.
Yes, good. What is this?
Onion. And onion.
Why you are putting in an box?
Because O is always
Yes. What is this?
ball.
Ball. Put in the box.
A ball.
A ball. Why you are putting in a box?
Because B not vowel.
B is not vowel, yes. What is this?
Injection.
Injection.
And injection.
Why you are putting in an box?
Because I is not vowel.
I is vowel, yes. What is this?
Eraser.
Put in the box.
And eraser.
Why you are putting in an box?
Because E is vowel.
Vowels, yes. What is this?
Uniform.
Put in the box.
And uniform.
Why you are putting in an box?
Because U is vowel.
Yes. What is this?
Eyeglasses.
Oh, you are looking so cute. Put in the box.
And eyeglasses.
Why you are putting in an box?
Because E is vowel.
Good.